Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss use service level agreement and entitlement in Dynamic 365 field service. So in this video, we are going to cover what are SLA, entitlement, and how to create new price list. While service level agreement track and define what should happen when a case is opened, such as the initial response time by a support engineer or the time that it takes to resolve the case, and entitlement agreement that define the level and type of support a customer is entitled to. Now go back to the system. While service level agreements and entitlement are often used with Microsoft Dynamics 365 customer service, you can use both feature to enhance your overall experience that is provided with Microsoft Dynamics 365 field service. Form using entitlement to dynamically apply price list and discount to work order product, to using a service level agreement to ensure that technicians are arriving on time. These features can help ensure that your organization is meeting your customers' expectation. Now create a price list. First go to the setting area. So under the journal, as you can see, price list is here. So click on that. Because you will be applying discount based on different product and a service that are associated with the work order. So you will be first need to define product that will be used. You will create field service products that same way that you would create products that will be used by other Dynamic 365 modules such as sales and customer service. In field service scenario, you are often dealing with physical product and providing services to customer. When defining product in the product catalog, you can use now create new price list. So click on new button from here. Give the name as Contoso price list and start date is 25 and end date is 26. Now click on save button from here. Go to the related tab and then click on field service price list item. Now click on new field service price list item. Give the name as field service price list item test and then click on save. Now click on price list item. Before you can define an entitlement that adds price list and discount to work order products and services, you will first need to have a price list associated with the product that you want to associate a price list. Now add a price list item. So click on that and then click on product from here. Now select the grinder because I have already created this product, and then click on pricing information and give the amount as 5000 and then click on save and close from here. To ensure that product pricing is being calculated correctly, each should be associated with at least one price list, and make sure that you add all product that the price list applies to it. In this video we covered what are SLA entitlement and how to create price list and add product in a price list. Thanks for watching.